Tonight, your brain is planning to eat itself alive. It happens when you decide to skip your vital deep sleep. You think staying awake all night makes you highly productive? Actually, you are just actively poisoning your precious brain cells. Every single hour you spend awake drains your cognitive reserves. Your mental capacity slowly drops down to absolute 0%. Inside your skull, a chemical toxic waste begins to accumulate. Your mind starts choking on its own biological waste products. Most people ignore this quiet warning sign. They rely heavily on caffeine to survive the incoming mental brain collapse process. But caffeine cannot save you from the real damage. Your brain is slowly burning from the deep inside out now. What happens if you go 72 hours without sleep? Let us explore this horrifying biological sleep nightmare right now together. Meet Sticknam, your guide through this mental decay. He is about to sacrifice his mind for clean scientific progress today. During the day, your active brain cells burn energy. This burning process produces a chemical compound called adenosine molecules daily. Think of adenosine as molecular sleep pressure. The longer you stay awake, the more this pressure builds up daily now. Under normal conditions, sleep acts as a reset button. It clears out the day's accumulated toxic waste products completely now. This cleanup process is called the glymphatic system. It acts like a high-pressure dishwasher for your fragile brain cells. But when you stay awake, the dishwasher never turns on. The toxic waste keeps piling up higher and higher daily. Your neural connections become sluggish and incredibly slow. Messages struggle to travel across your clogged brain pathways right now daily. Simple tasks suddenly require monumental focus. Your working memory begins to fail and drops its saved information completely today now. You forget where you put your keys. You forget what you were saying mid-sentence because of brain fog today. The prefrontal cortex, your brain's wise executive director, begins to shut down due to lack of fresh energy input today. This area handles logic, planning, and self-control. Without it, you become highly impulsive and incredibly irrational daily now here. You crave greasy, high-calorie junk foods. Your self-discipline completely vanishes when sleep deprivation takes full control here today. Your brain's reward center becomes hyperactive to compensation. It chases quick dopamine hits to survive the exhausting day right now. But the exhaustion only deepens as hours tick past. Your body begins entering a state of severe biological panic today. Stress hormones like cortisol flood your bloodstream. Your blood pressure rises, putting strain on your beating heart muscle today now. You feel wired but tired, a miserable physical state. Your immune system begins to shut down its defenses completely now. Natural killer cells, your body's shield against viruses, drop by up to 70% after one bad night of sleep. You are now highly vulnerable to every passing cold. Your body is losing the war against microscopic invaders right now. Then, things get much worse as the second day begins. Your brain starts forcing you to take microsleeps today. A microsleep lasts for just a few seconds. Your brain literally shuts down without your conscious permission at all. Your eyes might stay wide open, but you are completely blind to the world around you for that short moment. If you are driving a fast car, this is absolutely fatal. A 4-second microsleep can cost your life. Meanwhile, your emotional center, the amygdala, goes wild. It becomes 60% more reactive to negative stimuli right now daily. With no logical prefrontal cortex to control it, you overreact. Small annoyances trigger massive bursts of intense anger right now. You cry at sad commercials. You snap at your best friends. Your emotional stability is completely shattered now here today. Your brain is losing its ability to distinguish threat from safety. Everything feels like a dangerous, terrifying crisis now daily. Now the real horror begins inside your actual cells. Glial cells, which usually protect and clean your precious neurons, change. These helpful cells suddenly turn into destructive, hungry monsters. They begin eating the healthy synapses in your brain right now. Astrocytes start devouring parts of the connections. It is literal self-cannibalism triggered by extreme, prolonged sleep loss right now. Your brain is digesting itself to survive the waking state. The physical structure of your mind is changing completely now. Memories cannot form because your hippocampus is offline. It acts like a broken, full-capacity hard drive inbox today now. New information simply bounces off your mind. You cannot learn anything new until you get deep, healing sleep right now. At 72 hours, reality begins to bend and twist. Your brain starts hallucinating wild, non-existent things right now. You see shadows moving in the corners of your eyes. You hear strange voices whispering your name softly today now. Your sensory processing is completely scrambled. Your brain is dreaming while you are still fully, painfully awake today, right now. Paranoia sets in, making you distrust everyone around you. You believe people are plotting against your exhausted self today now. Your body temperature drops, making you shiver constantly. Your metabolism slows down to conserve its remaining energy store today now. You feel incredibly cold, weak, and deeply disoriented. Your entire physical existence is hanging by a thread today right now. But here is the most shocking fact of all. Sleep deprivation actually damages your physical genetic code right now today. Just 1 week of insufficient sleep alters over 700 genes. It turns off genes related to immune health today. At the same time, it turns on genes linked to tumors and accelerates cardiovascular inflammation and rapid aging processes today. This means sleep loss actively speeds up your death. It shaves years off your total potential life expectancy right now. Your brain is also building up beta-amyloid proteins. These are toxic plaques directly linked to Alzheimer's disease right now. Without deep sleep to wash them away, they solidify completely. They permanently block signals, leading to irreversible dementia later on. Did you know that sleep-deprived brains actually shrink in size? Chronic sleep loss leads to permanent brain tissue loss. Your gray matter literally wastes away over the years. You are trading your intelligence for extra waking hours right now. It gets worse. Your body cannot process insulin properly. Your risk of developing type 2 diabetes skyrockets instantly today now. Your cells resist insulin, leaving sugar in your blood. You are essentially forcing your body into pre-diabetic states now. Your arteries stiffen and accumulate dangerous arterial plaque. Your risk of a sudden fatal heart attack doubles here today now. In fact, during daylight savings time changes in spring, heart attacks increase by 24% the next day immediately. Losing just 1 single hour of sleep triggers this surge. That is how fragile your cardiovascular system really is today. Conversely, in autumn, when we gain 1 extra hour, heart attacks drop by 21% the following day instantly. This global experiment proves sleep is a matter of life. Your heart-keeping watch depends on every minute rested daily. And what about your physical athletic performance? Your time to physical exhaustion drops by up to 30% today now. Your lungs cannot move oxygen as efficiently as before. Your muscles produce lactic acid much faster during intense exercise today. Your peak physical strength and power output significantly decline. You become clumsy, weak, and prone to injury right now today. Your reaction times slow down to match a drunk person. Being awake for 19 hours equals being legally intoxicated now. You would never drink and drive on the busy highway. Yet millions drive sleep-deprived every single morning right now. So, how do we fix this growing global health crisis? Scientists have developed highly effective rules for deep sleep tonight. First, you must maintain a very strict sleep schedule. Wake up at the exact same time every single day now. This reinforces your internal circadian rhythm, making sleep easier. Consistency is far more important than catch-up sleep later on. Second, keep your bedroom cool, dark, and extremely quiet. The optimal temperature is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit today now. Your body needs to drop its core temperature to sleep. A cool room triggers the natural melatonin release process tonight. Third, banish all screens from your bedroom at night. Blue light mimics the sun, blocking your melatonin production right now. Turn off your phone at least 1 hour before bed. Read a physical book or listen to some calming music. Fourth, avoid consuming caffeine after 2 in the afternoon. Caffeine has a half-life of up to 6 hours total. It remains in your system, blocking deep, slow-wave sleep. You might fall asleep, but your sleep quality suffers greatly. Fifth, get bright natural sunlight first thing in the morning. This resets your biological clock for the upcoming night ahead. Just 10 minutes of morning sun boosts daytime alertness. It also ensures easier sleep onset when night arrives here today. Sixth, avoid large meals and alcohol close to bedtime. Alcohol blocks your critical rapid eye movement dream sleep completely now. It fragments your rest, making you wake up exhausted tomorrow. Do not mistake alcohol sedation for natural sleep tonight now. Implement these simple changes starting tonight for better health. Your brain will immediately begin its vital healing process right now. You will feel sharper, happier, and much more energetic. Your body will thank you for the extra rest every day. As you lie in bed tonight, remember this incredible science. Your brain is preparing for its massive nightly deep clean. The cerebrospinal fluid will wash over your complex neural pathways. It will sweep away all the toxic day's waste completely. But if you choose to stay awake and scroll social media, you are actively forcing your brain to eat itself. The choice is entirely yours to make every single night. Protect your mind, or let it slowly rot away now. Your intelligence, your health, and your longevity are on the line. Sleep is not a luxury, it is basic survival. Do not let the busy modern world steal your vital rest. Prioritize sleep like your life depends on it daily. Because, quite literally, your life actually does depend on sleep. Treat your bedroom like a sacred sleep sanctuary right now. Thank you for watching this detailed exploration of your brain. Share this video with a chronically tired friend right now. Subscribe to our channel for more deep scientific insights daily. Put down your screen and get some sleep right now. And tonight, while you dream, your brain will do it again. Sleep well, because your brain is watching you always.